Imagine standing beside a campfire. You look down and notice something strange buried in the ashes. A hard, shiny material that looks almost like frozen water. You may have just discovered glass. But how did humans go from simple fires to Windows bottles, microscopes, and smartphone screens? The story begins thousands of years ago. You might think humans simply melted sand in a campfire, but that's not quite how it works. The main ingredient of most glass is silica found in sand and certain rocks. The problem is that silica needs an extremely high temperature to melt. A normal campfire is not hot enough. Early glassmakers discovered that minerals, such as soda and limestone, could help lower the melting temperature when, combined with silica and heated strongly, they could create glass. The earliest known human-made glass appeared more than 4,000 years ago. Ancient craftsmen in the Near East and Egypt made small glass objects such as beads, jewelry, and containers. Imagine doing that without electricity, modern machines, or knowledge of chemistry. It required incredible skill. Then came a major breakthrough. Around the 1st century BC, glassblowing appeared. A craftsman could gather hot molten glass onto the end of a hollow tube and blow air through it. The glass expanded like a balloon. Suddenly, containers could be made much faster. The Romans helped spread this technology across their world. Bottles, cups, jars, and decorative glass became easier and cheaper to produce. Over the centuries, glassmaking became more advanced. People learned to make clearer glass and developed better ways to cut, polish, color, and shape. Then humans discovered something incredible. Glass could control light. This led to lenses. Lenses made eyeglasses possible. Microscopes allowed humans to see things too small. For the naked eye, telescopes allowed them to observe objects unimaginably far away. Today, glass is everywhere. It is in windows, bottles, eyeglasses, cameras, laboratory equipment, and smartphone screens. Modern glass can be thin, strong, and specially designed for different purposes. Fiber optic cables even use tiny strands of glass to transmit information, using pulses of light. The same material humans struggled to create thousands of years ago now helps connect the modern world. So how did humans invent glass? Not through one single moment. It was a long chain of experiments, discoveries, and improvements. People experimented with minerals, heat mixtures, and different ways of shaping glass. The amazing part is that humans kept asking one simple question: what happens if I try this? That curiosity transformed sand, minerals, and heat into one of the most important materials in human history. So the next time you look through a window, remember, you are looking through thousands of years of human curiosity.